All right, welcome back, everybody. Today we are going to do Chapter 2, Tutorial 4 from our textbook. We will be drawing in millimeters, grams, and seconds. We're going to open a sketch in the front plane. And to start out with, I am going to do a center point arc for this. So I will start my arc by clicking on the origin, coming out approximately 25 millimeters, and come around here, and then I'm going to go to my line tool next, and we will do a straight line, horizontal line about 35 millimeters. We'll go vertical up about 10 millimeters. Here we're just going to kind of guesstimate about 25 millimeters. Then we'll go vertical up 10 millimeters. Do a horizontal line to the left about 10 millimeters, and then we're going to go up about 105 millimeters and click. Come out at an angle slightly to get our radius tool. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to come out here about so. We're going to guesstimate we want about a 55 millimeter. And then we'll come straight down and click here. And exit out of our line tool here. I'm going to add a couple of relations real quick. We'll make this line and this line horizontal to each other. And then we are going to begin dimensioning. So we'll start out at 10 millimeters. I promise you we will go to 10 millimeters. My keyboard is acting really weird today. I think there are ghosts or something in the house. I don't know. There we go. Do our radius here. It's 25. We'll hit enter. Make this 35. Right there. This line will be 10 millimeters. This line will be 10 millimeters. And this line will also be 10 millimeters. This one will be 105. This radius is going to be 55. And then we shouldn't have anything else left on here to dimension, but we'll have to figure out why we are not there we go. So now we are fully defined. And now I will go into my circle tool. Here I want to do a circle that is vertically aligned with our origin here. And I want to be about 120 millimeters distance from there. About there. We got about a 20 millimeter radius. We'll go ahead and dimension this circle. To 40 millimeters. And so, and then we're going to add this relation here. There, and then we need to also dimension this to here, 120 millimeters. That locks that in place. Then we're going to go up here to our slot tool, and we want to do a center point arc slot. So we hit the drop down, you'll see that we have the straight slot, center point straight slot, 3-point arc, and a center point arc slot. That's what I'm going to go with right there. I am going to click on the origin or the center point of this circle, and I'm just going to come down. I'm kind of guessing a little bit where to start this at, but right about here. And then I am going to go to about here and just come out slightly. And then I can start dimensioning. The slot itself is going to be a radius of 10 millimeters. And then I want to dimension here. That will be 10 millimeters. And then we're going to dimension from here to here will be 70. There we go. And then the last thing that we need to do here is we are going to dimension that center point and this one, and that will be 90 millimeters. And we are fully defined, and we are done. Pretty simple, not too difficult. Now you can draw this a couple different ways. You don't necessarily have to start this arc from the origin. You can start this corner here. Again, you know, whatever your preference is, whatever makes it easier for you to sketch this, but you just want to make sure that you lock in your relations and you get everything dimensioned properly. All right, if you have any questions, you can ask me in class, leave a message down below. I will get back with you. Make sure you save this part as Chapter 2, Tutorial 4. Nope. My keyboard is just not liking me today. We'll go ahead and save that. Make sure you save your drawing, and I will see you on the next one. The next sketch that we will do, or the next video that we're going to do, is I will do one on Chapter 2's hands-on test drive 1, and then we'll run through that series. All right. Hope you enjoyed the video. Have a good day.